conditions in the country. Though recent showers brought a brief respite to the capital, IMD has forecast a fresh heat wave for Delhi NCR starting tomorrow and lasting through Friday. Temperatures are likely to soar beyond 40 degrees Celsius during the time, with the IMD also warning of possible heat wave conditions in isolated parts of the national capital. Now, amid this, authorities are urging residents to stay alert and take necessary precautions to avoid health risks from the sweltering heat. Cutting across to Kritika Tiwari, my colleague, keeping us ahead as far as what that's looking like. Kritika, very good morning to you. It's clearly extremely hot in Delhi NCR. In fact, humid conditions as well. Given the fact that there's going to be no respite, you're of course doing an amazing job despite the heat, so very appreciative of the same. But what should we know given the directives by the IMD and more importantly, health risks as well?
Well, yes, Nivedana, heat wave will be starting in Delhi. Another fresh spell of it from tomorrow. It is going to last till Friday. Over the weekend is when we are expecting the temperatures to witness a drop by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. So that will be a sigh of respite. However, no rainfall will be witnessed in this week as well as in the next as well. As far as the rest of the country is also concerned, the whole of Northwest, in fact, will be experiencing a rise in maximum temperatures by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. Yesterday also we saw how the maximum temperature recorded in the country was at 45 degrees Celsius in Barmer district in Rajasthan. And just circling back to Delhi real quick, remember last spell also of heat wave, it saw temperatures reaching up to 42 degrees. Again, the IMD is predicting that similar temperatures in the range of 41 to 42 degrees Celsius could be recorded in the next 3 days as well. And even as of now, about 12 cities across the country recorded temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius. This includes Jaisalmer and Jodhpur in Rajasthan, Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar in Gujarat, as well as Aloka, Sholapur in Maharashtra and Ratlam in Madhya Pradesh. Now, while these are 12 districts, remember in the last spell of heat wave that had gripped the country, above 20 cities, 20 to 25 cities in a single day were recording extremely high temperatures reaching to 46 degrees as well. So given these circumstances, the IMD has sounded a yellow alert already. What this means is that there are chances of moderate health risks for vulnerable populations. Now that includes infants and the elderly as well as people with coexisting comorbidities rather. And this is the, in fact, focus population that has to be extremely sure of limiting sun exposure, because temperatures up to 41 to even 42 degrees, while quite uncomfortable, the IMD says can be tolerable by other people. But even as that stands, the IMD has also advised people to make sure that if they're stepping out under the sun, they should limit sun exposure at least from 12 p.m. till 3 p.m. in the afternoon, as well as ensure that they carry some kind of a head cover to protect themselves from direct sunlight as well. And in addition to that, rehydration is something that the IMD is also stressing on, because a lot of electrolytes are also lost due to sweating. But remember, for the last 2 years, Delhi specifically had not seen heat wave conditions in the month of March. So this is turning out to be, as per the IMD's forecast also by the end of March, that there will be more number of heat wave days, and it remains to be seen how the government is also preparing for it, because so far the heat action plan hasn't been announced specifically by the Delhi government. However, there was an advisory last week as well advising people to limit their sun exposure. Over to you.
Right, Kritika. Thank you for joining us with the latest and also giving us a quick sense of what that's looking like going forward as well. But for the moment, we leave it at that. Stay safe in the given conditions as well.